Hey, how's it going? I'm Erik the Travel Guy. Let's get right to it. I feel for you. I understand racial discord, an election year with lots of political rhetoric, the economy, and we're still dealing with the Rona. I know, it sucks. But are we going to let these factors keep us from going on vacation? Of course we're not. But safety is key. So here are my suggestions. First, get educated, okay? Check the CDC's website for the current guidance. Also, check your state, county, or municipality website for their health guidelines. Next, select a few places you might like to travel to and visit their websites for pandemic guidelines. I would consider destinations where outdoor seating in restaurants is currently available. Now, number 2, the travel normal for the time being includes a face mask when you are in public, social distancing, carrying travel-size hand sanitizer and disinfectant wipes, understanding new rules and restrictions, and taking responsibility for your actions when you are away from the comforts of your home. Now, if one or any of these is a problem for you, then I say stay home. Tip number 3, airplane or car. Well, that depends on your risk tolerance, budget, and available time. For now, I say control as many factors as you can and drive there. Drive time. I break it down by how many hours you can drive in one day without losing your mind. So get out a map, get your phone out, and draw 3 concentric circles around your hometown. The first circle at 3 hours, the second one at 6, and the last one at 9. I believe about a 9 hours drive in one day is the maximum distance. Now, your largest expense is most likely going to be your hotel or where you're going to stay. I suggest looking for a locally owned, branded hotel with a brand that you recognize, like Marriott, Hilton, or Holiday Inn. You'll get peace of mind in the transparency of the updated health and cleaning standards, and you're supporting the local economy. So everybody, that's a win-win. And finally, check out your itinerary. Look for places with wide open spaces, beaches, state or national parks, perhaps smaller towns with smaller crowds, etc. Once you find a place you might like to visit, check out their official Tourism Bureau website. You can find these organizations by Googling the name of the place plus the letters CVB in the search. So there you go. I am Erik the Travel Guy. Be safe, social distance, and stay vacated. Share this video with your friends and maybe plan a little getaway. And remember to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.